What are the top TikTok videos today? Right now, the feed is being driven by funny viral clips, Stitch posts, and a fresh dance challenge, and people are searching because the biggest trends are changing by the hour. The strongest signal in today's search results is simple, funny viral videos are leading the conversation. The trend language points to clips with huge reach, including a viral video described as hitting 1,000 million views, plus posts labeled OMG videos, engaging videos, and top trending funny videos today. That tells you the feed is being shaped by comedy first, not just random scrolling. If you are looking for what is moving fastest, it is the stuff people share because it lands immediately. A specific name appears in today's results, #Stitch with Emily Holloman Cowan. That matters because Stitch posts let one video ride another creator's momentum, which can spread a trend faster than a single upload. In this case, the Stitch tag sits alongside the same viral and funny video language, so the trend is not just one isolated clip. It is a chain reaction, one post feeding the next as viewers keep tapping into the same joke or moment. The other clear lane is the Trending Dance Challenge 2026 tutorial cluster. Search terms like "Do You Dance Challenge?", "New Dance Challenge", and "Trending" now show that users are not just watching, they are trying to copy the steps. That creates a second wave of interest because every tutorial can trigger more recreations. So the top TikTok videos today are not only jokes and stitches, they are also choreography prompts people can learn and repeat. TikTok's platform description backs up why these trends move so fast. The company says, "Trends start here," and says viewers can watch and discover millions of personalized short videos on a device or on the web. That means today's top videos are not picked by one public ranking, they are surfaced through personalized discovery. The catch is that the platform also says, "We cannot provide a description for this page right now," which shows how quickly the trend page can shift before a clean summary exists. So the top TikTok videos today are coming from two places: funny viral clips and dance challenge tutorials, with Stitch posts helping spread both. If you want the real signal, watch for what gets copied, remixed, and shared next. That is what turns one video into today's trend.